you're going to be investigating a special kind of rational function known as a reciprocal linear function. F of x here is a linear function. This is its reciprocal, and this is what it looks like. You're going to be investigating the asymptotes, both vertical and horizontal, of the function as you change the value of a. And so here's my function, and as you can see, this has a vertical asymptote at x equals -1, and it has a horizontal asymptote that's the same as the x-axis, or has the equation y equals 0. Also investigate the effect on domain and range, and so you'll notice in this function that when x is -1, the function doesn't exist, and so x equals -1 is not in the domain. Check out the intercepts, both the x and y intercepts. How does changing the a value change the x and y intercepts? How does it impact the positive and negative intervals? And so you'll notice this equation has a negative interval. In other words, it's below the x-axis when x is less than -1, and it's above the x-axis when x is greater than -1. Also, have a look at the increasing and decreasing intervals, and so you'll see when x is less than -1, in other words, moving from left to right, this function is decreasing in the entire interval. When x is greater than -1, moving from left to right, the function is also decreasing in that interval. And that's your investigation.